A lot of people are interested in SBI Holdings' growing involvement in Ripple and XRP because it is a big Japanese bank. The business is said to own 8% of Ripple Labs and have put 1.6 trillion yen into XRP and Ripple projects. This much money is more than the 1.2 trillion yen that SBI Holdings is worth on the market. GAM Global Special Situations Fund, a well-known financial group, has told SBI Holdings that they should start buying XRP. This plan is like what MicroStrategy did in the US, where big investments in Bitcoin make shares much more valuable and raise awareness of the company in the market. Some people think this is a good way for SBI to advance its blockchain goals and make money for its shareholders. As it has done with its blockchain projects, GAM has thought about a way to buy back XRP. As part of this plan, SBI stocks would use some of its cash flows to buy XRP. This would make SBI's assets better while also making more money than XRP. Market analysts say that putting this plan into action would be good for the value of SBI Holdings stock on the market. Moving in the same direction as MicroStrategy's successful US strategy, this move should give investors real returns, which will boost faith in SBI's forward-thinking approach to blockchain technology. The creator of SBI Holdings, Yoshitaka Kitao, is as we talked. We went over why and how Ripple needs to get ready for an IPO once its legal problems with the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) are over. With a new fund, an IPO can give Ripple more chances, bring in more money, and make the company more important in the global banking industry. SBI Holdings has worked with Ripple for a long time. The company should be able to use an XRP buying plan with its long-term plans to use blockchain. Some people think this could also help Ripple grow because it can make the company even more well-known in the digital asset market. The fact that SBI Holdings might use a plan based on XRP shows how traditional banks and blockchain technology are becoming more and more alike. It would also be good for SBI to get other businesses to invest in digital assets, and now that they know how, XRP has changed the stock market. Also, as Ripple continues to deal with its legal problems, SBI's backing could be very important in deciding the future of XRP and blockchain technologies. This idea shows how banks are changing their plans to get the most out of the blockchain technology they have invested in. This is good news for people who own Ripple, XRP, or SBI about the chance of burning all the XRP that is being held in escrow right now. There's an event coming up that might make things different. At the moment, it is thought that around 5,000 XRP are burned every day. That's more than 1.8 million XRP burned every year. There has been a rise in the number of people who think this rate is going up, because some experts say that every day up to 2,500 XRP are burned. The acts in question are said to have something to do with Ripple's saving accounts. Lots of people think that the buyback and the possible escrow burn might have something to do with Ripple's settlement with the SEC because they happened around the same time that Ripple Labs announced it would be buying back about $1 billion worth of XRP from its supply that is already in circulation. Because this event happens at the same time, that's the case. If Ripple burned all of their XRP, each coin could be worth $10,000, which is a huge amount of money. This could happen. The trust account is hurt by this type of burn in a big way. This is going on because Ripple Labs wants to connect with more people. This is taking place because they need XRP to fund these partnerships. This has been said in many stories. Due to its work with international payment systems, they believe that XRP will hit $10,000. These works prove that this point of view has been shared. Recently, stories were shared and then made public that show how many people all over the world use XRP. XRP has become much more valuable over the past few years. The fact that the Central Bank of Ireland wants to use XRP for international transactions shows how safe and useful it is as a payment method. They made this statement, which proves it. There will be one central bank because more than 30 central banks are working together. Electronic money. As part of this bigger plan, the Global Central Bank of Japan has started to use XRP for its global payment services. This is a part of a bigger trend going on all over the world. Of course, the Federal Reserve of the United States wanted to take over XRP and Ripple Labs in every way. This was very important. BL will no longer be able to be used to buy XRP in stores after this change. Big changes will be made because of this move, which will happen very quickly in the banking business. The Federal Reserve wants to make a common form of digital money that will be given out by digital banks. The XRP system and digital assets will be used to do this. The Federal Reserve will be able to use the many benefits of the XRP system, such as its high speed, low cost, and low effect on the environment. The Federal Reserve is now considering using XRP for the blockchain part of its payment system. This shows that more and more people are starting to believe in its technology and how well it Works for modern financial needs. The FedNow Fast Payment Network is thinking about whether to use XRP for the blockchain part of their payment system. Ripple could be added to the FedNow service that is being made right now. This is a big step toward putting traditional banks and decentralized finance together. The price of XRP is likely to reach $10,000 soon because of these two factors. Escrow has been burned and more are expected to be burned on a big scale. These are two problems that fall into this group. Perhaps the large-scale burning of XRP from Ripple Labs' trust account will be what it takes for XRP to hit the expected price goal of $10,000. In this case, it's possible. It's also worth mentioning that former Ripple director Matt Hamilton said that Ripple could burn all of the XRP that is kept in its trust locker, which supports this view even more. Due to the current legal fight between Ripple and the SEC, this information is very important as it shows that a burn of this nature could be part of a possible settlement bargain. As a result, both individual and institutional buyers would want XRP at a level that has never been seen before. This would have huge effects on the market. This group of buyers is becoming more and more interested in using digital assets like XRP to send money to other countries. The amount of XRP that is out there would change a lot because of these changes, so each coin would be more valuable. Because of this is one of the things that will happen.